You are broke because you cannot handle being bored. That sounds harsh, but look at your bank account, then look at your screen time. There is a direct link between the two. You think you have an income problem or an inflation problem. You don't. You have a chemistry problem. You are addicted to now, and wealth is only built in the later. Let me explain exactly how your brain is hijacking your wallet. I've spent 30 years on Wall Street. I've seen guys make millions in a single year and lose it all the next. I've seen quiet janitors retire as multi-millionaires. The difference wasn't intelligence. It wasn't inside information. It was their ability to sit still and do absolutely nothing while everyone else was chasing the next shiny object. In economics, we call this time preference. It's basically the adult version of the marshmallow test. If you can wait to eat the marshmallow, you win. If you eat it now, you lose. The problem is, the modern world is designed to shove marshmallows down your throat 24 hours a day. TikTok, Instagram, fast food, same-day delivery, crypto pump and dumps. These are all instant dopamine hits. They train your brain to demand a reward right now. And here is the dangerous part. Your brain cannot distinguish between the dopamine you get from a funny video and the dopamine you expect from your money. When you fry your dopamine receptors with cheap entertainment, your patience evaporates. You physically cannot wait for results. This is why you buy a stock, it goes sideways for 3 days, you get bored, and you sell it. It's why you start a side hustle. Don't make $1 million in week 1 and quit. You are bringing a slot machine mentality to a compound interest game. Think about the most successful investors in history. Warren Buffett. The guy reads reports all day and drinks cherry Coke. It's boring. Real investing is incredibly boring. It's watching paint dry. It's putting money into an index fund and not touching it for 20 years. But your brain? Your brain is screaming for action. It wants the 100 times return overnight. It wants the notification bell. It wants the excitement. So, you take risky bets. You overtrade. You spend money you don't have on things you don't need just to feel that brief spike of excitement when you click buy now. That shopping cart confirmation page? That's a hit of dopamine. And just like a drug, the high wears off and you're left with the bill. This is where the dopamine detox comes in. It's not just some self-help trend for monks. It is a financial survival strategy. When you cut out the cheap noise, the endless scrolling, the junk food, the constant need for stimulation, something painful happens first. Boredom. You are going to feel incredibly bored. You will feel anxious. You will want to check your phone. But if you push through that boredom, you unlock a superpower that 99% of people in the market today do not have. You regain your focus. When you aren't chasing a dopamine hit every 5 seconds, you can actually sit down and read a financial report. You can stick to a budget without feeling deprived. You can hold an investment through a market crash without panic selling because your emotions aren't hypersensitive. I remember back in the dot-com bubble. Everyone was buying pets.com and thinking they were geniuses. The guys who made real money, they were the ones who sat on their hands. They looked boring. They looked out of touch. But they were calm. A low dopamine life is a high wealth life. Here is the practical reality. To build wealth, you need to produce more than you consume. When you are addicted to dopamine, you are a consumer. You consume content, you consume food, you consume products. You are a passive observer of other people's success. When you detox, you switch from consumer to producer. Instead of watching a video, you write a business plan. Instead of buying a gadget, you buy a stock. You start finding satisfaction in building things rather than buying things. Look, money flows from the impatient to the patient. That is the fundamental law of the market. If you cannot control your own chemistry, you will always be on the losing side of that trade. You are literally paying for your lack of impulse control. So stop looking for the next big stock or the secret crypto coin. The secret isn't in the market. The secret is in your head. Put the phone down. Embrace the boredom. Let your brain reset. If you can master your own attention span, mastering your money is the easy part. Stop trading your future freedom for a 5-second hit of happiness today. If you want to understand exactly how to structure your portfolio once you've got your brain fixed, you need to see the math behind the boring millionaire strategy. I break that down right here. Now,